The goal for this item is that your child completes 2 different actions with one object upon request. So what you're looking for is if you say to your child, go get your shoes and bring them to me, or go get the ball and put it in the basket, or go get your milk and put it in the sink. So 2 steps, and that you can use gestures. So you can point, you can do this for drink, or your shoes. You can tell them, your shoes, and point to your shoes. So you can use gestures for this, but you want to see that they're following both directions with one single prompt. And we want to see, in order to pass this item, that they do 3 different 2-step directions. With this one, in order to get the child learning it, first you start with single step. So go get your shoes, and then once they have their shoes, then you say, okay, bring them to me, or put them on the table. This is a fun thing to practice at home, so it's kind of a game, and you can make it as silly as you need to in order for them to follow through and make it fun. But when you're doing it, try to give them both directions and then say go, so that they have to hold both directions in their head. Generally, they'll remember the last direction because that's what they heard last. So really, when you're giving them the direction, call their attention, Johnny, have them look at you, and then say, go get your shoes and put them by the door. And so then you know that you've got their attention. And if they're really having a hard time, you can practice by saying, tell me what you're supposed to do. So if you say, go get your shoes and put them by the door, what did we say? And your child should repeat back, shoes by the door, or pointing at the shoes and pointing at the door.